You're in there. Come to the door. Waycross Police Department, come to the door. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Ware County 911. Hey, this is Jesse at State on Memorial Drive. We were just robbed. Do you know who they were? What were they wearing? No. They were wearing a gray hoodie and a black hat, and he had a blue mask on. Could you tell if he was black or white? He was white. Did you see if he got in a car or which way he went? Did he have any weapons with him? We did not see which way he went.
On September 9th, 2022, in Waycross, Georgia, during the early hours of the morning, a robbery inside a Marist bank would set off a chain of events, taking investigators from stolen cash to a dangerous hostage situation where every second would matter in a case that would ultimately be investigated by the FBI.
Just be advised, he had his hand in his pocket the whole time. They're not sure if he was actually armed. He should be a skinny stature. Think that low.
Are you okay?
He came to her. My manager was like, on the camera. Because when he walked up, he didn't have no mask on.
When he walked up to me, he said, "Can you cash it?"
I want another unit take up and marry it.
And when he said it should have been a check, it was a note. And the note said, "Do not press any buttons and give me the money." And it had denominations. And so I'm trying to read the denominations. And
Did he take the note with him?
Yes, he slid it back when I gave him the money. Yeah, he has the bait. He has.
Okay.
But our bank doesn't have a tracker.
Doesn't have a tracker, just got the payment.
Who else witnessed this?
We were talking, like I was standing here when he walked in, and he went straight out. So when he walked out, and she came up, one of us, I was just wrong.
I didn't see a weapon, but I didn't want to touch it. So I waited till he walked out. I said, "Jesse, come here." I said, "I was just robbed." But I didn't motion him or nothing. I didn't have a weapon, and I didn't know.
That's okay. I mean, you did the right thing.
I have a friend of mine that was out out there in Margaret. She saw some.
Yeah, she's been sitting in the car the whole time.
Okay, so she did see it.
She was sitting up there the whole time.
He come running out here and running across over there. There's a little gray color four-door car with a stoop on the back. He went running this way. He's about this tall, had dark clothing and a mask on. That's all his seats.
Hey, a gray four-door car with a scoop on the trunk went inbounds. All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Cap, do you want me to go see if they got camera footage over at Sonic's?
Yeah.
What time do y'all open? Okay. Okay, I see a camera there. Both the stores over there got cameras, but they don't open until 10 o'clock, in which, they sitting outside, but the doors are locked. That look like gonna be your best angle to get a tag because it's got cameras that look like it face toward. So I think somebody just pulled up at Sonic's too, so we might be able to see this.
So you can make contact with the 43 for Sonics and Popeyes on Memorial.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing great. Your camera's working?
That's why they sold the 911 person that it's called.
So don't none of y'all cameras work?
They're all down right now.
Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Do y'all have y'all can access y'all video cameras?
Not right now. I have to call the office and get them to see.
Okay, can you do that for us?
I can't. I'm behind right now. As soon as I get called up, I can do that.
Okay. All right, thank you. So, look like the manager here says that they're behind, so once they get caught up and open up, then they'll try to call their corporate or whoever to access the cameras. So
Who's the manager or the owner of this one right here?
she just come to the door. She was like she had a little attitude and didn't really want to say much.
As officers continued their investigation, speaking with witnesses and checking nearby businesses for footage, they uncovered a major lead. The getaway vehicle was traced to its registered owner, Stephen Ham, who admitted driving 34-year-old Matthew McCloskey, believed to be the robber, to the bank. Ham revealed he had dropped him off at McCloskey's girlfriend's home, and from there, a taxi carried them to Motel 6. The taxi driver later confirmed they paid the fare with a marked $20 bill from the robbery, giving investigators the break they needed. Despite fleeing in a getaway car and then switching to a taxi, McCloskey chose a motel just down the same road as the bank, giving officers and detectives their next lead and location to check out.
Got a picture?
Yeah, we got a little bit of a picture of it.
Still on 612.
There's that one right there. Should be in room 117.
I did not check him in this morning.
You know what?
Here's another.
You know what? Do you know how to pull out my camera? Yeah. If I let you in?
Yeah, let's pull it up because Dana rented it at 11:22. So he's not been in that room very long. The name is not familiar, the face is not familiar, and I know quite a bit of our regulars.
He's verifying the video right now. But we're after the other guy, the white guy, and he's in room 117. What's his name? Matt. Waycross Police Department, come to the door. Waycross Police Department, come to the door. We know you're in there. Come to the door. Waycross Police Department, come to the door.
Miss Nellie, I need you to come to the door. I know you're in there.
That's the key. They just hit the screen again, the curtains.
Hit the curtain again.
Hit the curtain again. Open the door, come on out, room 117. Matt, come on out.
Yeah, it looked like a male and female.
The cleaner said that's what it was.
Come to the door, show your hands when you come out. One person talking, one person talking.
It sounds like a barricade the door. Come on out! I'm going to send a dog through the window!
Are they open it or are they barricading it?
Sound like they're barricading.
You need to come out and
come out.
422, 401, update information. Believe the door is now being barricaded.
Hey, we need y'all to go. We need y'all to go. Find a place safe. Listen, I know you can hear me. I've heard y'all talking. We need to talk about what went on this morning.
I want you to come to the door with your hands raised.
Hey, window.
Come outside.
Come out. Come outside.
Open the door. Come outside.
Come outside.
Mail behind her. What's she saying?
Come outside.
Alright, she said he won't let her.
So we have a hostage situation.
Hold on. Everybody, what's she saying? Y'all got me covered? Y'all got the camera?
Yep.
Listen, what's she saying? Ma'am, can you hear me? Huh? Okay, to ask him why not.
We're trying to find out what's going on.
I mean, is he harming you, ma'am? Why don't he want to come out and just talk to her? When did you talk to him? Say what?
Now stand in the window. Ma'am?
Right behind him. I can't see if he's got a gun or anything. I don't have a visual on him. It's just a dark silhouette. Up there, big door. Up there, big door.
He's pushing his shot, holding her hostage.
Hey, y'all want to get in? You want to come in?
Let's go. We got it. Let's go.
Ready to crawl? Yeah. I'm going to try to break the door for y'all.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Get on the ground! 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 Hold on again.
I got him.
Get down! Get up! Get down! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm gonna shoot you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Get down! Now get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! I'm on the ground! I was a Marine! Cuffs! I was a Marine! Cuffs! And you do this to me? For what? What am I locked up for? Where's the knife at?
He threw it down somewhere.
It's right here in front, bro.
Right there, look. Searching, double lock, make sure ain't nothing on.
Hold on to her. Sit down right here. Sit down right here. I've got her. Sit down. I got her.
Who got leg iron?
I got belly iron, but I don't have legs.
Legs are in my car.
Go get him.
All right. Cuffs are right here.
What am I locked up for? Please tell me.
Well, right now for holding somebody hostage.
I didn't hold the hostage.
She tried to come out, you wouldn't let her.
Units, we don't need any more help. We got it. Everything's set up full. I'll transport him to the PD. Hey, I'll take him to that way. Y'all can stay safe. I'll transport him to the PD myself. If you would, go put him in the back of my car. Give me his shoes. I'll take care of them. They're going with us.
Yeah, but you got me on stop.
Okay. Yeah.
I've already searched them out of any concept.
I'll search them.
Let's get my speakers in on my speaker getting wet.
They're walking on dry concrete right now, dude. We're going to put them on your feet when we get to the PD. I'm not going to put them on you right now. Take a seat. Watch your head when we get inside. Ain't nobody violating nothing.
What am I being charged with?
Right now, we're taking a hostage. Stop. I'm going to spray you. If you don't stop, I'm going to... Hey, you got pepper spray?
I didn't hold anybody hostage. Oh, you can tighten my cuffs. Okay.
Not tightening your cuff.
You have to even lock them so that when I sit, they get tight.
Okay. Once you loosen that one up, if you act a fool, you're going to get tased again.
Go ahead and go.
Okay, let me adjust this cuff, Captain.
I don't understand what's going on. What is this about? I didn't rob no thing.
Good. Quit trying to get out of the cuffs.
I'm not trying to get out of the cuffs.
You're being charged with kidnapping and false imprisonment. I don't have to read you your rights. I'm not interviewing you. You should know your rights. We had to tase him 3 times. He was holding a lady hostage for false imprisonment. He's also our bank robbery suspect. Be careful, he's going to try to kick or fight at you. Alright, he is in leg irons and handcuffs.
The main suspect, Matthew McCloskey, was charged with bank robbery and kidnapping. He had multiple prior bank robbery convictions in New York, one in 2013 and another in 2016, marking him as a repeat offender. McCloskey stole $877 from the bank, an amount he was later ordered to repay in restitution. The case was investigated by the Waycross Police Department and the FBI, resulting in a successful prosecution in U.S. federal court. He was ultimately given 14 years in federal prison and placed under 3 years of supervised release. As FBI agent Will Clark later stated, "By now, Matthew McCloskey should realize robbing a bank is not a winning proposition." The getaway driver, Stephen Ham, was also charged with armed robbery and held in Ware County Jail without bond for his involvement. He is presumed innocent unless convicted in a court of law.